Good morning, MMTs. It's Friday, time 7 minutes before the opening bell, date 12/10/2010. Basically, what's going to happen today, out of this last 5 day period, 4 days in a row, they have slid that bid. And that meant on the open of the last 4 days with the gap ups is that they've sold and they have broke straight down. And they are in very, very predefined price action trading ranges. And in the SMF platform, that could be three teenies up, three teenies down, or it can have a narrower market maker spread before either breaking out and or breaking down. What we have seen in the price action in the last 4 consecutive days is that equities have made their highs and then the shorts have moved in and we go down. Apple's a good example. Google's a good example. There's a lot of things that are a good example of the price action volatility. And the price action volatility is where they slide that bid in the SMF platform. And sliding that bid is something like this right here. Everything changes and down you go. This is the actual true directional movement right here. Oops, sorry about that. It didn't catch. So you're going to get that move in your platform. This is just a standard chart. So basically we're going to be watching, do they slide that bid in every one of these indexes? If the indexes roll over and the other indicators break higher, the fear indicators, then we know the directional movement would be slide the bid again, day 5. Look, on the 4th day, there could be a change up in the price action movement. We're going to be looking at key Pacific areas within the SMF platform as the IR staying above 55 and that there is an expansion in the IR that's holding at higher levels, and the bid and ask ratio in the SMF platform are at much greater levels, meaning that they don't pull back that much in the ratio. So if the pullback in price action does not diminish, then that means they will continue to sell off and the short side would work. However, if the price action comes back in a 369 and if it's narrow range and you have that SMF buy action bar right on the next one, then you need to be in. That means that the price is only diminishing slightly and then breaking higher. And you would get triggered in it. And not only that, in your SMF platform, it will clearly guide you through exactly that. So you'll be able to see where all of the equities and options, you'll be able to see where the indexes and the bears and the bulls, you'll be able to know all of that. And we're looking to see on day 5 if there's a change in our SMF platform. Will show us if there's a change on day 5 in price action or not. So these are the key elements that we're going to be looking at, is how they've been hitting that short side, coming down, coming back up to a lower teeny high, and then reversing and making lower lows, and that the bounces in between where you buy as an MMT, as a market maker, is that those prices on the bounces are 70, 80 cents, and that's all they're giving, and rolling back over. Short again. So that's exactly how the tape will be. We're looking for the change to see if there's a change within the tape. In the price action on the opening bell, day 5, period of 5 of actual price action.